Sound check. Hey, sound. Yun. Alright. Palpak agad ang camera ko. Alright, so taka lang ha. Let me just turn on my camera. Cam link. Bakit hindi ka lumalabas? Camera's on. Taka lang ha. Really one moment please. This was okay earlier. One moment. Not sure what the problem is. Bakit ayaw lumabas? Taka lang. One moment, everyone. Esensya na. Should be like this. Baka merong ibang gumagamit sa cam ko. Wala naman ako nakikita ibang gumagamit ng cam ko. It was okay earlier. Lights off ba? Oo nga bakit lights off? It shouldn't be like this. One moment. Let me just restart the live. Or not. I think I can fix this while we're doing this. My bad. Sorry about this, guys. Hey, bakit ganito? Let me just open something. Ibang camera lang gagamitin ko. Should be video capture device, webcam. Then tanggalin ko lang yung blur. Eto na lang muna. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Another evening, pero ang ganda ng PSEI ngayon. Right, 2 days po tayong buying spree. Let me open the screen. And then, there we go. PSEI, we closed at 6,665. That's up 5.1% from the closing yesterday. Net foreign selling, 800 million, but buying spree po ang mga institutions natin ngayon. Sobrang daming binili sa mga naka-sale na what do you call this? Companies. Right? Let me just copy this really quick and then put this on the screen. Gusto ko na magkasabay talaga tayo. Marami akong camera sa computer ko, so marami akong pwedeng gamitin. Anyways, PSEI, nakita nyo po on the screen right now. What does this mean for us? Diba? Anong ibig sabihin nito for us? Is it already a buy for the stocks? Actually, yun yung sinabi ko sa inyo. For how many days? It's already, dapat na tayo dito? Dapat nagbabuying spree na kayo for the long term sa mga stocks ninyo sa PSEI. Hopefully, you did that already. If ever you did, then you are in a very good position, my dear friends. This might be something. This is called three white soldiers right there. Definitely very big for PSEI, right? Even if net foreign selling, at the very least, yung mga institutions nagsimula ng bumili. And there we go. 2 days na massive jump for our market. Hopefully, nakapwesto na kayo. I've been telling you for how many days, for how many weeks na this market is for planting seeds. Dapat naglalagay na kayo, nagtatanim na kayo ng mga buto so that when the big institution starts coming in, you're in a good position. Ngayon na nakalipad na, mahihirapan na naman kayong pumasok, right? Be greedy when others are fearful. Yun yung sinasabi natin lagi. Loading ba? Yay for blue chips. And let me go to the comments really quick. Nga pala, galing. PHA, MAC, SM, URC, Ayala Corporation, Vita, sila SMPH, companies that we love so much. Nag-aakyatan na sila. Meg, 5% climb, yeah, with huge volume. Right here, sila GT Cap. There it is, my friends. Right, we talked about GT Cap yesterday. The other day. Ganda, right? Sobrang ganda ng market, right? Daming binibili, especially those with volume. So hopefully nakapasok na kayo sa mga stocks ninyo na gusto. Okay, this is a good sign for PSEI, pero nonetheless, still, I would say, it's not yet good for trading. Basta bumosisyon lang kayo, right? That's how you play with Philippine Stock Exchange. Huwag kayo maghahabol sa taas, especially now na nakaakyat na. URC, one of the favorite companies that I have. Ang ganda ng position sa support noon. And if you accumulated on the support, hopefully may kumita na kayo. Good evening, Laura. Good evening po, Sir Lloyd. Good evening po, Guitar God. Good evening, sir. May slot pa po ba tayo for the bot trading? Yes, meron po pong slot for bot trading. May share kayo ako sa inyo na post kasi yung isang nagbo-bot trade, ang ginawa niya kasi, we term this hinihimas-himas. In our group chat, meron kasi separate group chat for the bot traders. Hinihimas-himas, meaning, yung bot kasi, automated yung target profits niya. Okay? 8 at 8%. Right? At 8.8 pips pala. Right? So, sometimes, hindi na-hit yon ng robot. Kasi, nagpo-pullback na. And those are gains. Pag nag-pullback, nawala. Na-close your position. So, nawala yung gains. So, meaning, hinihimas, minamanual nyo na target profits. He earned 100% in a week. Amazing. So, galing. Right? That was by... No, not that one. And I'll show you the post. Alright, this is the one. This is from John Vincent Rosales Pleto, one of the bot traders right here. Ang gains niya from April 30, hindi pala 1 week, for 1 month. Sorry, 1 month, 100% na paghimas-himas. Alright, I don't want to look at the value, the equity, etc. Pero yeah, from $500 again, $100. Profit is $513. Drawdown is just 3% and for 100% gains. Performance po ng bot natin yan. This is mixed po ng bot tsaka manual intervention. Manual intervention meaning if ever the bot opens a position, tapos pag umaakyat na siya, minamanual nila, tinitingnan nila yung chart na kung may weakness in the short term, minamanual nilang sell ang position. Kasi minsan hindi na hit yung target profits ng bot, and that makes the bot less efficient. So, ikaw, if nakikita mo yung position, you can take profits by yourself. Yun yung performance niya. It's 100% for 1 month. Amazing. Congratulations. Yes, may slots pa po sa bot. Should you wanna test it out, please do. Andyan po sa video description yung link if you wanna join it. Meron po tayong slots available for you guys. Please do join it. Sayang naman po. Start small. Start with the initial lang muna. And then, if ever after a month of testing it, magustuhan ninyo, you can go for a bigger account, okay? You can go for a bigger account if ever hindi nyo magustuhan. You have full control of you have full control of what do you call this? The bot of the platform. So pwede nyo pong itigil ang service. Simple as that, okay? Good evening, Rafi Unipa. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. It's nice to be back. PSEI. Definitely PSEI looking very good. So hopefully nakapagtanim na kayo dun sa baba pa. I've been telling you guys for how many days, it's already about time na magsimula na kayong mag-ipon ng mga stocks na gusto niyo, especially the blue chips. So congratulations on the climb today. Loading ka po, sir. Good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Didi from Trisha Vargas. Let's check out Didi. Hindi ko na i-switch ang screen na ganito na lang lagi kasi may problema sa camera ko. I don't really know what the problem is. I'll just turn it off. I'll just use this camera instead. Medyo, ano kasi tong camera na to eh. Ang puti ko sa camera na to. As a term. Sige, go. Go ahead. Alright, so Double Dragon, wala siyang ganong volume. So it's not really jiving with the market right now. Pero net foreign buying siya, 3.65%. Let me load chart layout. Let's see if ever RSI tells us something. For DD, for Double Dragon. Alright, Double Dragon on the short term. Okay lang naman. Massive support right here, pre-pandemic levels. Earnings niya, it's not that much for first quarter. I would say wala tayong ganong signals eh. Wala rin volume, di siya sumabay sa market. So I would say let it create a support right there. Pero maganda yung accumulation niya. Maganda yung support niya. It's been holding for how many days? Kind of shaky with this. Pero yeah, habang hindi pa lumilipad, di ba? Si Double Dragon. Definitely good for accumulation din yung position niya for DD. What I usually do kasi pag ganito is if ever I'm shaky with the support, I just test buy. Bili lang ako some and then accumulation mode, if ever bumaba, then I buy some more. If ever na I test buy and then mag-rally siya, on the pullback, that's my confirmation, that's where I add funds also sa pullback niya. Because I know that the support is already confirmed and nagsisimula ng rally niya. So, ganun ang ginagawa ko usually. It's not about... And ito hindi po on trading about, especially position trading, it's not about guessing if it's the bottom already. Okay? It's about being there when the reversal happens. So, it doesn't really matter if mahulaan nyo yung bottom or not. Aldous, magandang gabi. Janer Diano, good evening, sir. CDC po, sir. Lloyd, let's check it out. International market is looking well also, right? Medyo nagre-recover ng eToro account ko. So, negative 184% na lang ang negative ko on my eToro account. So far, so good. Yung mga positions pa rin. I didn't really average down on the positions just yet. I'm waiting for the pullback and bounce before I'm gonna be averaging down on my positions. But, okay naman so far. Let me go back to, there we go. ASEN. Yan sila, ASEN. Right. CDC muna. Okay. Okay yung position ni CDC, guys, I think this will still go sideways. Wala pa naman tayong ganong signal sa RSI niya. But yeah, this is a support right here. Massive support at this level. So, buy some. If ever bumalik dito sa pinaka-main support niya, then buy some more. Okay? So, CDC, looking well. Maganda na yung stabilization niya. ASEN. Ito, maganda. Right? ASEN, we talked about ASEN before. There's a downtrend line right here. Pag nag-breakout with the volume, I told you guys, pwede nyo na pasukin yan. Did breakout kanina with good volume, so hopefully napasok ninyo. Medyo mataas yung lipad niya ngayon. Very wise if you would wait for the pullback and bounce. That would be your confirmation. Right? Good PM, Sir Lloyd. Pwede po ba pumasok sa PHA for position trading sa PNB? Ang lakas ng akyat ni PHA kanina. Right? 8.14 si PHA kanina. Right? I would say mas maganda if ever you wait for a pullback and bounce before you wanna get into PHA. Okay? Pullback and bounce, mas maganda po yan. As for PHA, AP and MBT po, sir. From Alexis Lopez. Alright. Aboiti's Power. Good volume for AP kanina, ha? Problema ko kay AP is it is on a massive downtrend. Maganda yung first quarter earnings niya, by the way. So that should be enough, right? Ito lang. We are on a massive downtrend for AP. This is something. Okay? This is something. Nakakatakot. Pero I would say, pwede nyo po i-test ba ito? At the very least, it's a very low risk. Ang ganda ang sobrang mura ni AP. We're reaching pre-pandemic levels for AP. That's already a double bottom, I would say. So, yeah. I would say start accumulating AP. Right? Again, hindi naman ito about na mahuli natin yung bottom. But there's a very good position right there. Double bottom for AP. Test it. Test it. Send, tapos na position. At sa PNB. Let's check out PNB. Check na lang. Alright, sige. Alright, so PNB. After the dividends drop. After the dividend drop, pulahan tayo. Again, pandemic levels. Sobrang beautiful lang Sobrang beautiful lang position. Sobrang mura niya. Right? Negative 1.19. Net foreign selling tayo ngayon. Habang pulahan siya, guys, accumulate at support. Ito, sobrang lapit niya sa support. I would say, I would try to accumulate this. Right? This is a good company right here. Nag-drop lang naman to after the dividends. So, it should recover. MBT, Metrobank. Woohoo! Ganda. Kahapon yung magandang entry kay Metrobank, man. Ngayon, it's already too high up there. Let it pull back and bounce. Let it pull back before you wanna get in kay Metrobank. Okay? Kahapon yung magandang entry niya nung nag-breakout siya. Breakout. Yeah. Hello po, Sir Lloyd. Meron na po akong First Metrosec account. Unsay imong ma-recommend for stocks for long term? First Metrosec account, meron ka na. Anong stock maganda for long term? For PSEI. Marami eh. Actually, ang daming nasa baba ngayon. Right? SMC, SM, sila MAC. Ito si SM. Sila MAC nasa baba. Pwede ito. Right. Look at this position for MAC. Sobrang ganda. Pwede po si Macro Asia. I would say isa sa maganda na pasukin is ito, Mega World. And then one more is ano nga ba yun? Yung construction. No, not MPI. Yeah, MPI is good also. Ganda ng volume ni MPI kanina. But not MPI. MPI is not the one that I am referring to. Maganda for long term si dito. Nawala sa isip ko. M-Wide. Yun, si M-Wide. Thank you so much, Rog Dahay. M-Wide. Yes, M-Wide. I will recommend M-Wide for long term also right now. Ganda. Ang ganda ng position niya. Nasa supports tayo for M-Wide. Ang ganda. If you ever M-Wide, ang daming projects ni M-Wide, especially dito sa Cebu. So, yeah. One of the reason why I recommended CLI before, because I saw CLI doing well here in Cebu. M-Wide, halos lahat ng constructions dito. Si M-Wide ang Si M-Wide ang what do you call this? Sila yung contractor. So, yeah. I will recommend those. Balik muna ako sa mga ibang comments. Yun, si IMI from Joe Castillo. Bastahin natin to. IMI. Meron tayong support for IMI. I would say yes. Okay, maganda. For the short-term trading. First quarter earnings very good. Compared to last year, annual earnings niya maganda rin naman. Tech's doing well, but even during the pandemic. So yeah. IMI, there's a short-term support right here. I would say, trade that. Okay? Local tayo ay Ali. Yun. Whew. Ito rin, isa sa mga sinabi ko sa inyo noon, Ali, tignan nyo, sobrang ganda na ng position. And there it is, Ali. Strong climb for today. Let it pull back. Meron tayong support dito. Most probably dyan magpo-pull back. So, pasukin nyo po dyan. If he needs to talk to me, let me know. I can. Okay. Ali. Pull back for Ali. Then, sa international naman, si Edu. New York Stock Exchange. Okay. This is New Oriental Education. Ganda ng volume ng recovery, man. Engulfing pattern. This is doing the pullback. Next bounce po for Edu is gonna be a good bet. So, for trading wise, yeah. Doon nyo po pasukin. It's just that, I don't know what is the cause of this downtrend. Might be bad news, might be bad company performance. So please do your part. If ever pangit ang performance ng company, stay away from it at the very least, okay? I don't know what's the cause. Hindi ko alam fundamentals ng company nito. So please do your part. We're just talking about technical analysis at this point. Tesla and Twitter. Lloydie, this is from Win Kuan Shi. Right. Tesla. TSLA. Ako, marami akong hawak na Tesla. Good evening po, sir. How to know when you should diversify and what are the signs that you are too diversified? Not just in stocks po, sir, but in all asset class. Diversification is good. You just know if you're too diversified, if ever sobrang dami na hindi ka pa nga kumikita sa isa. Right? As much as possible, diversify in 5 investments when you're starting. And then, focus on those 5. Focus on those 5 first. This is good. So, let me go close up. Very intense. Focus on those 5 first. And then, tingnan natin ano yung mga doing well for you. Then, put more money in that. And then, if it's doing well, and then, stick with that. And then, try to diversify. Remove nyo po. Pwede nyo po tanggalin yung investments nyo sa ibang investments na hindi naman gaano ka-fruitful. And diversify into something else. Pwede pong ganun. Too diversified, I would say is 5 above and then wala ka pa nga ni isa na parang nagre-reward talaga sa'yo. Hirap magsalita pag nakatingin sa taas. Sakit sa lalamunan. Tesla! Alright, I have Tesla. I'm still negative kay Tesla, but yeah, I love Tesla. Ang ganda na future ng Tesla. I love the business position of Tesla. So I'm still looking into Tesla. Ang ganda na ng Tesla. We have a support right here. So if ever bumalik sa support yan, that's good. That should be a good entry for you guys. Let it pull back for Tesla. Twitter. Alright, so Twitter, I am magload. Let's use Pro Charts. How come nothing's loading right now? May problema ba sa net? Okay na yung position ni Twitter, problema ko yung Twitter, okay, mas mataas na. We've talked about tech stocks. I told you guys na maganda na tingnan ang international market. So, hopefully, nakapag-position na kayo. Last episode natin, I told you, tignan nyo sa international market, pwede nang pumosisyon. So, hopefully, nakapag-position na kayo. Twitter already is going up. I would say, wait for it to do a pullback before you wanna get in Twitter. But good find, my friend. So, yeah. Good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pure Gold, NJFC, pa-check po. Thanks. This is from Paolo David. Let's check out Pure Gold. Alala ko, I talked about Pure Gold. I told you guys, wait for the pullback. Ayan, nagpo-pullback na siya. Parang lakas ka agad ng bounce. Grabe. So, there's good volume in this. Pero, that's our support right there. Get in support basics. Get in near that support as much as possible. Medyo nakalipad si Pure Gold. But yeah, sinabi natin to noon. We already have good patterns right here. Engulfing pattern. Nag-pullback siya. The next bounce should be your entry point. Kahapon was the best entry. Right now, medyo mahirap na pre. So, wait for the pullback na lang and bounce. Pure Gold. JFC. Kamusta natin si JFC? Ito. Blue chips natin. Sarap. Pullback bounce. Always wait for pullback bounce. Especially sa blue chips, hindi nyo kailangan magmadali. Mahirap naman pagalawin yan. So let it pull back and let it bounce before you wanna get in GFC. Okay? Ganda na ng mga position, guys. Hopefully nakapag-ipon na kayo ng mga stocks ninyo. Sir, insights for NGCP. Let's check out NGCP. NGCP. How come it's not loading up? Sorry. Also, Monday IPO na 4 times oversold. Lahat naman na IPO, sinasabi nila oversold eh. But, I'm just telling you guys, our market right now is not a good time to go IPO. Right? Napaka-konti lang na investors natin. Okay. Sorry, Arturo. Mag-IPO pala. I'll try to invite our fundamentalists to talk more about that. Sila kasi yung may trabaho niyan eh, right? Usually ako, I get information about these companies from my friends. Yun yung tumutulong sa akin sa research. Since trabaho na nila ito, nakikisakay ako. I'm a lazy person. So yeah, I'll try to ask Arnel for inputs about it, or si Kapayaman, tawag nito? Yeah, si Arnel. I think Arnel's gonna be the best person to ask about this. I'm gonna be asking Arnel about that one. But yeah, basic rule, IPO for this year, it's not good. Market's not well. Wala pong perang ganun pumapasok sa market natin. So, it's not good to go IPO. Yes, nagpo 4 times oversold siya. Pero during the day, the question is, paglabas niya sa market, may bibili pa ba? Right? So, it's gonna be scary. It's gonna be, tawag nito, manghuhula na lang tayo by that point. And when you're guessing in the stock market, then that means you're gambling. And it's not a place to go gambling. Okay, so IPO right now is a gamble. And mas malaki yung downside niya because of the circumstance of the market. So yeah, I don't like IPOs during this time. So stay away from it. That is my call. Kinol ko na yan before about DD. Hindi pong pasukin kasi pangit ang market. I would say wag muna. Right? Let's use technical analysis then when you're investing, right? Pero kung investor kayo, guys, if you're an investor, you don't really care if ever bumagsak siya during IPO day. Because if you're an investor, you try to get as many stocks of it as you can while it's cheap, di ba? So, I know limited lang mabibili ninyo during the IPO. You're not really banking on IPO day na tawag nito, na karambola kung magsisiling ba siya, etc. We're not after that. You're not after that if you're into long term. So if ever bili ka ngayon na IPO, good. If ever bumagsak, then you just buy some more. That's the right mindset in it. Okay? So if ever you're buying it because you think na baka magsiling sa IPO day, then man, you're already gambling. This is not a place to gamble. Yun lang, insights ko for IPOs, especially kay Monde. Hello po, Sir Lloyd. Meron na po akong First Metrosec. We answered this already. BDO, pacheck po. Thank you. One of my favorite banks. BDO, we find ways. Ayaw mag-load. Bakit? Anong problema? Yan. BDO. Big red ha. Maraming selling kay BDO. Especially nakalipad pa naman. So, pero yung volume niya is promising. Okay? It's not a buy. Definitely not a buy. There's strong momentum on the downside. Bangan lang natin sa baba muna. Si BDO. Michael Eugenio, good evening. M. Wide from Rochla. Yeah, that was kanina. GSMI. Wala ka lang ha. Right. Rani Castillo. He's asking about BTC. Downtrend pa pre. Pero tignan natin yung chart niya ngayon. Hindi ko nakita yung chart ngayon. But BDO, we're looking into GSMI. Taas na yung GSMI. There's still momentum in this, but man, that's too high, man. Right? Wag na lang muna. Right? Ang daming stocks natin na nasa baba pa ngayon. Right? Bakit tayo magkahabol dyan na nasa taas? Momentum, yes, there's momentum, pero only if you know how to day trade. Ang mga positions natin dito ngayon, mas maganda for day trades na lang. If you can day trade, then look at this tomorrow. Because of the volatility, baka may position. Okay? But if you're a position trader, if nagsisimula pa lang kayo, nope, stay away from this. Mer and DMC, this is from Laura. Napa. Meralco. Let's check it out. Ooh, buy na to guys. Ganda ng volume kanina. Massive support right here. Mukhang magbe-breakout na. I would say just buy this. 1.25% lang naman ang upside, yung ano niya, climb niya kanina. I would say yeah, kung mag-breakout yan bukas, go for it. Watch this yan bukas. I would say yes. I will bravely say yes. Okay to, si Mer. Good find. Buti hindi pa lumipad ka talaga si Mer. DMC. Another good company right here. So yeah, DMC. Ooh, kaakyat na si DMC, man. Medyo mataas na sa DMC. MA20 tayo. Look at that. Beautiful MA20 bounce. MA20 bounces. That's why I love MA20. I always tell you about MA20. Pero dun po natin abangan sa susunod si MA20. Okay? For DMC. BTC USD. Kamustahin natin si Bitcoin BTC USD. Nag-tweet na naman si Elon Musk na promising yung sinasabi ng mga Bitcoiners about the environmental impact of Bitcoin, but accumulation, my friends, I will strongly recommend accumulation lang muna. It's still on a downtrend. So 31,000 po ang buy natin dyan. If ever gusto nyo pumasok. ATNX Pusher. This is from France. Right? Let's check it out, ATNX. Time check, 8:36, ladies and gentlemen. Right, kamusta natin si ATNX. Athenex. Oh. Pero. Nag-hold yung MA20 niya. Pero, the concern ko is this lowering right here. So basically, we have a triangle pattern. Actually, yung unang triangle pattern doon yan binuo eh. Pero nag-bounce naman dyan. So, let's try this one out. Pag nag-breakout yan, saka nyo pasukin sa ATNX kasi there's a high chance that this might go down. Okay? PX from Darwin Tan. Right, before we continue, hopefully naka-join na tayo. If you wanna diversify, test something out. Ito kasi yung ginawa namin. Si John, we have a seminar about day trading before. If ever nagbayad kayo, nag-donate kayo sa Patreon, ang hirap. Yan, dyan. If ever nag-donate kayo sa Patreon and then you got access sa mga seminars ko, kasama ko sa day trading si John kasi John is a day trader. We have pretty similar trading strategies. John even was a student of mine before. Congrats to John sa success niya sa trading. Pero the thing is, yung trading system namin, we had this thought na what if i-automate natin and create a bot to automate our trading. So, yung technical analysis, yung mga stop loss namin, yung mga strategies, i-automate natin and place it na bot. And so far, so good. Performance ng bot has been doing well. Okay, so yun po yung idea behind the bot. We will try to automate our trading kasi mas maganda is 24/5 siya. Hindi natutulog ang bot. So whenever a trend starts, hindi ko kailangan bantayan. Nakikita ng bot at nagbabay siya. Right? So that was the idea, and then if ever maganda yung performance ng bot, why not share it to the public? And thus, our bot is already ready. So tignan nyo po sana. Subukan nyo po yung bot. You can diversify into that. May mga videos tayo about how to start, right? The past daily grinds natin, right? So check it out. Andyan po sa video description yung link. Click on that link for the bot registration. Once you open that, it will open ang Google Docs, and then andun na lahat ng instructions for you to follow. So check it out. diversify into automated trading. That's the future, man. Felix Mining, masyado mataas. We are seeing bearish signals already for Felix Mining. Sharing the screen. These are bearish signals, my friend. So, I would say nope. Wag na po yan. Masyado mataas na si Felix Mining. Riot. Right, blockchain. Tagal mag-load. Ooh! Maganda. My friends. Supports right there. Accumulation. Pwede na. Test buy nyo na to. Maganda yung position niya. Great. Good find kay Riot. That's confirmation of the support right there. Okay na yan. Bilhin nyo na yan. I would say that's a buy already. BMBL. But trade lang ha. Always create a trading plan. Stop loss below that support right there. John Reyes, good evening. Taka lang dyan ha. Ang bagal kasi ng ng charts ngayon eh. I don't know why. But yeah, the asset is still on a downtrend. Si Bumble. But there's good stabilization right here. I can't really say if this is the end of the downtrend. Please check out the fundamentals of this company. Hindi ko kasi alam ang fundamentals nito. If it's fundamentally good, nag-downtrend lang because of the market, then this is a good sign right here. Short-term support, then you can just cut loss below that. Pero ganda ng support na ginagawa niya. RSI starting to look well already. Starting to go healthy. Yeah, check it out. IPO no. Rods Dahay, insights kay coin. Ito, nag-invest si Kevin Durant dito eh. Coinbase. Yan, Coinbase. Technical analysis is looking good. Engulfing pattern. Meron tayong support dito. Tricky eh. Lakas ng bounce niya eh. Pero mukhang maganda na yung position niya guys eh. Pag nag-breakout ito, use a breakout strategy for Coinbase. Mukhang okay na si Coinbase. Yan. Kaka-IPO lang nito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, not a very good market to go IPO on. And bumagsak siya after that. Good evening po sir. Primex po. This is from Ramon Cruz. Ramon, tingnan natin si Primex. Ay. Nasa resistance tayo. If you really want to get in this company, let it break out at the very least. Pero man, ingat. Look at the RSI lowering. That means people are starting to sell. Okay? So, stay away from it. That's my 2 cents. I could be wrong. Pwede pa umakyat yan. Pero, don't like it. If ever you really want to trade it, wait for the breakout. Eddie Ed, good evening sir. Good evening po. Jeline, good evening sir. Pa-insights naman si DMC and dito. Ayan, si DMC, nakita natin kanina, let it pull back and then bounce before bakit nyo pasukin si DMC kasi medyo nakalipad na. Pull back lang muna. You can use MA20. Si dito, challenging si dito eh. Believe nyo na for long term. I don't recommend dito for trading for now, but if you wanna trade dito, kamusta si dito sa Manila nga pala? Kamusta si dito dyan? I'm really sure if it's performing well as a telco mismo. Pero if there's one thing for sure, there's an upside sa buying natin dito. Pula siya today. So, konti ingat lang muna. But net foreign buying, my friends. The foreigners are buying it while it's red. I would say just ito na yung dip eh. Ito yung dip na hinahanap nyo eh. Best dip was this one right here, but there's no guarantee if you can still get in that dip. Stabilizing right now at the very least. Pag next bounce, that will confirm the supports. I would say that's your buy for dito. Kamusta si dito dyan? Please post it in the comments. Nasubukan nyo na ba si dito sa Manila? Maganda ba? Kasi if maganda yung performance, for sure, dito will go viral. PHR and MRC. Dito sa Cebu, sobrang ganda. How good? Data-wise, sometimes sila Globe and Smart mukhang joke na lang. Sobrang solid ang speed nandito. Alright, PHR looking well already. Okay? There's a downtrend though, so let it break out from the downtrend line and that's gonna be your entry point. offered PHR. Good evening, sir. Regards sa bot trading, yung bonus promotion po ba, pag mag-fund ng account sa XM, pwede niya i-trade din? Tapos meron na bang slots? Meron pa po bang slots? Good what tawag ito? Good question from Sherwin. Yes po, pwede nyo pong i-trade yung $30 na bonus. Actually po kasi, pag gumawa kayo ng XM na account, using that link, you can get $30 promotion on top of the funding. Yeah. So, if ever gusto nyo gamitin yun, so instead na $500 ay ilalagay nyo, you can use $470 instead. Right? So, kasi you get $30 free bonus ni XM. Alright, DMC dito, PHR. Covered PHR already. MRC. I can't say for MRC if ever akit naman siya, but we are at accumulation levels. MRC, support is right there. That's the best entry for MRC. Hopefully, balikan pa kayo dyan. But yeah, that's the best entry for MRC. You can say if ever lilipad din or hindi eh. Yung kumang hype, but the support is very near. So that's good for MRC. Get in that support as much as possible. ASXC po, Sir Lloyd. Let's check it out. Dogecoin, stable na po ba, sir? I can't say, nagsa-sideways siya ngayon, no? So, there's stability in that. Pero, again, overall, the crypto, the coins are very expensive at this point. But at the very least, maganda yung dip niya. So, if ever you really wanna get in, mukhang okay naman. ASXC, Ascensus Surgical. Resistance, right here. Pag nag-breakout yan, that's an ascending triangle right there. Let it break out from that resistance. Ali from Ray Membrive. Let's check it out. Ali. Ayala Land Incorporated. Time check, it says 46. Pull back and bounce for Ali. Nadaanan na pala natin to. WMT and Google. WMT, Walmart. Kamusta natin si Walmart? Woohoo! Resistance for Walmart, man. So, breakout if you want to get in Walmart. Next kay Walmart is Google. Google Alphabet. Whew. Congratulations sa mga ka-Google dyan. Sa mga nag-invest kay Google. Tindi, grabe. Lakas ni Google, grabe. Baka mag-breakout. Bearish signal though. Baka hindi mag-breakout kasi may bearish signals, pero if it breaks out, maganda naman yung market, so there's a big chance that this will push Google. Pero yung sinasabi ko sa inyo dati, minsan lang mag-pullback si Google, get in the pullbacks, and nag-pullback na nga siya. So medyo mataas na ngayon si Google. I don't like that. May mga assets naman na mas nag-pullback naman. So, dun kayo. Medyo tricky si Google ngayon. Pwede na po ba mag-open ng bot trading kapag nasa abroad? Thank you. Pwede po ba mag-open ng bot trading kapag nasa abroad? As long as you have internet, man, you can. Pwede naman po. Prim po, sir. Let's check out Prim. Prime Media. Support is right here. We're looking at resistances right here. So it's either support or breakout for Prim. Dogecoin. Yan, tingnan natin yung Doge. Actually, sumusunod lang naman siya sa Bitcoin na Doge, USDT. Yeah. Stable na ba siya? I can't say if it's stabilizing already. On the short term, yes. Overall, nakakatakot kasi it's still on a bearish pattern overall. Okay? Medyo nakakatakot yung pattern pa rin niya overall. So, still not into it. Sherwin, good evening sir. Regards sa bot trading, yung bonus promotion, ay nabasa na natin to. Meron pa pong slot. So, please go to that video description. Andyan po yung slot andyan po yung link para makapag-register po sa bot trading. Right? It's our trading system with a few friends of mine, people I know. Linagay po namin sa strategy. Yung mga technical analysis dyan, sa bot na yan, we're keeping it secret rin para hindi ma-replicate rin yung bot ng iba. But so far, so good. It's doing well. So hopefully, if you wanna join, test it out, yan po. Andyan po sa video description yung link. Sayang naman, right? Automated na yan na trading for you guys. Form of a passive income. Pero high risk po siya, right? Because high rin yung reward. Okay? So, doesn't mean na magandang performance niya for how many days, weeks, months. Maganda yung performance in the future. There's still risk involved. But you can assure na kami po ang bahala sa inyo. Trading system po namin ang ilalagay namin dyan. And we are monitoring it. We are monitoring it also. Okay? Right, so I'll go to the, tapos na tayo sa Facebook. I'll go to YouTube. Tingnan natin, Sir Meg, si Mega World. This is from Ray Bald. Mega World, maganda rin yung akyat. Okay na to. I would say it's already okay. Accumulation po tayo. If it pulls back and bounces, then that's a perfect scenario. Pero simulan nyo na to. Baka lumipad na rin kasi to eh. Ang hirap. Medyo nakalipad siya ngayon, 5.34. But still, overall, napakamura niya pa. So, pwede niyo pa pong pasukin itong Meg na ito. Right, sure. Showing you the screen right now. Medyo marami ako nasulat. Right? The best scenario is a pullback and bounce. If ever that happens, then good. Pero overall, breakout po yan from the downtrend dun kasi so pwede na rin pong pasukin yan. Ayoko lang ganito. Ayoko lang mag-go aggressive on a bearish market. Bearish yung market natin. So, mas maganda po. Perfect scenario is pullback and bounce. But yeah, you can start accumulating this already. Okay, DNL and dito. We already covered dito. Let's check out DNL. DNL, pababain nyo muna. Medyo nasa taas kasi si DNL nung nag-bearish yung market. I would say mas maganda if ever bumaba muna si DNL or if mag-breakout na yan, then go in for a breakout strategy. As for DNL, dito we covered that already. Ronald Dar, FNI. Same. Medyo supports po. Best entry for FNI. Right? Best entry support. Or if it does breakout, then let it break out. Breakout strategy po. DMC. Kumusta natin si DMC? This is from Gerald Villanueva. Kumusta Gerald? DMCI. DMC. Yeah, pull back and bounce pala. Masyado mataas si DMC ngayon. Lawrence, good evening. Sir Lloyd Idol, good evening po. Emily Tan, BB. This is Blackberry, right? BB. Blackberry. Since we still have time, it's 8:51. Last lang to sa YouTube, then we're done. Right? We're simulcasting kasi sa YouTube. Right? BB, good. Perfect scenario will be a support entry, pero ang ganda na ng rally ni BB. I tested the resistance already with volume. I would say this might break out, most probably will break out. Breakout strategy for BB. Could find FCEL. We will sell. Okay na rin to. That's already a buy right there. I would say that buy that already. Sasabay sa market yan for sure. QS. Ito hindi ko kilala. QuantumScape Corporation. Right? Please make sure you do your part. I'm just talking about technical analysis right here. Downtrend pa siya. Still on the red. So we don't have any signals for buy naman. So stay away lang muna. Pati po si JAGX. I also have JAGX. Still holding on to my JAGX. Dapat nag-average down na kayo sa JAGX nyo. But yeah, JAGX is on a strong rally. I've been calling JAGX right here. Dito pa lang sinabi ko na buy na si JAGX. Accumulation right there. Lumipad na si JAGX. Let it pull back and bounce lang kung hindi pa kayo nakapasok kay JAGX. As a reason I've been holding on to JAGX. Anyways. That's gonna be it for me this evening. Pasensya if nagkaroon tayo ng problema sa camera kanina. Pero yeah, meron pa pong slot sa bot if ever gusto nyo. If you wanna support me guys, please go to patreon.com. Andyan po, patreon.com/elbazar. Thank you so much. Whatever amount you give, will be greatly appreciated. Hindi po mapupunta sa akin, sa bulsa ko yan. It's gonna go to the youth that I'm helping right now. May mga kabataan tayong na-adopt, mga talented kids na walang suporta in their field. So I'm supporting them. If ever you give me something, it's gonna go to them directly. If ever you give a substantial amount, I'm gonna give you something back in return. I'll give you access po sa the Trading Masterclass. That's the seminar that I do. Andun po lahat ng mga tinuturo ko about how I trade, how I do my technical analysis, how I do my execution, what I do to prepare, how I look for companies, etc. Andun po lahat. You can get access to that. Check out patreon.com/elbazar. That's it for me this evening. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me this evening. As always, let's get rich together. Bye, everyone.